There's a hidden settings on your phone that could actually allow scammers to hack your phone and steal your private information, or even hack your social media account, or even steal your bank details. In this video, I will show you how to turn it off so that you will save yourself the stress of being hacked. And I will also recommend you share this with friends and family so that you can save them this stress. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Now let's get started straight away. Go to your settings. I'm going to be showing you this with two devices, an Infinix phone and a Xiaomi phone. You can always find this on Samsung or other Android devices. Now, all you want to do is when you come to your settings, go to your app, here. There's a place that says App Management. Click on App Management. Now, when you click on App Management, click on Default Apps here, Default Apps, tap on it. Then you are going to see a place that says opening links. Now I'm going to explain exactly how this can actually affect you if you don't take action right away after watching this video. That is what scammers do now. What they do is they create links, or they create messages, or they create website or apps, I don't know, different things. And then once they create that, they send a message to you, or they send you an email, and such email comes with links, and those links, they look real, but behind it, those links are very dangerous and could actually steal your private information. Now, when you click on those links, you might actually be attacked or hacked. Like in 2023, I clicked on a link that was sent to me via email, and in it, I lost over $500 because that link took me to a Trust Wallet and I lost $500. And since then, I learned this. Now, when you come down to opening links on your settings, now you are going to see each of the apps on your phone. Now you see this look at this one here. Don't open supported links. Now for you, you are going to see open supported links. Okay. Now tap on it. When you tap on it, mine is going to show this way, open supported links, and that's because I've already set it to make sure that it asks me every time that a link is sent to me via message or via email. Now, yours is going to be like this: allow apps to open supported links. That's what you're going to be seeing on your own if you haven't set it up already. For me, I didn't say that. I asked it to ask me every time. I need to make sure that the link is supported, or better still, I'll simply go to my Google and then type that link manually, because Google has the mechanism of protecting me far more than most of these apps on my phone. Now, what you want to do is to make sure that either you put it on ask every time, or just go straight forward and say don't allow apps to open external links. Now, put it here or put it here, depending, but don't put it here. Make sure that either it asks every time or don't allow to open links. Now, you do this for all the apps on your phone. Let me show you how to do this on a Xiaomi phone. Just go to your settings and then you are going to see apps. You will see app directly. Just click on apps. Then you will see default apps. Click on default apps. Then you would see opening links. Tap on it. So here you are going to see that some of these I've already set it up also on my Xiaomi phone. Don't allow apps to open links. Don't allow apps to open link. You will see the ones I have not set. Allow apps to open supported links. Most of these links that scammers send to you are not supported links, but they will pretend to be supported links. What you want to do is to make sure that you click on each of them. So I'll click on this and then I'm going to off this. I'll simply just off it. Now once I off it, it means that I can't open links with this app anymore. What you also want to do is to do this for all the apps that you know you receive messages. When you do this, you are saving yourself from the hassle of being hacked, because when they hack you, they can steal your private information, which might lead to financial theft or other things that you may not actually like. Please share this video with your friends and family. Share with them. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I will see you in the next video when we come here.